Well, right now, Commonwealth Bank is dispatching Australia's biggest dividend, $3.2 billion or $1.98 per share. But the CBA share price actually fell $1.49 on top of that amount. Just goes to show how many investors are in this stock for the dividend alone. So once it's paid, they're off. But they weren't buying ANZ, which reported a flat net profit for the December quarter, and the share price got sliced 2.5% for its trouble. The online jobs classified business, Seek, reported a 64% increase in profit, and management said they all felt pretty good about it, but the shares were smashed, down nearly 9%. Looks like a bit of a failure of guidance there. And meanwhile, Fortescue's profit fell 81%, and the company slashed the dividend from 10 to 7 cents, but the shares did better than Seek's. It's all about expectations. And finally, the best performing sector today were the retailers, led by Metcash, which jumped more than 7% for no apparent reason. The US share market was closed for President's Day last night, and without Wall Street to guide them, the other markets didn't do much. Most commodity markets were closed as well, except for iron ore and coal, which saw solid gains. Today's economic news was the weekly consumer sentiment indicator from ANZ and Roy Morgan, which fell 1.7% to a 6-month low and is well below average now. And the Reserve Bank Board's minutes came out today, continuing the week-long blitz of RBA guff. Today's didn't add to the sum of knowledge. They repeated that the dollar remains too high and concluded that it might be a good idea to cut interest rates, which they did, as we know. Today the dollar went up a bit and has basically been stuck at 78 or just a bit below that for a month. And that's finance.